Hello everyone, today I am going to start Weathering the Storm in Hiroshima, summary in English. So let's start. Prashant was a young boy of 19 years of age. He belonged to Kalikuda, a village in the coastal state of Odisha. He had lost his mother 7 years ago. On 27 October 1999, when he was visiting a friend in Hiroshima, a super cyclone hit the area. There was large-scale devastation. The gusty wind and rain continued for 2 days. They remained on the rooftop of the house and survived on the top tender coconuts from the coconut trees that had fallen on the roof. As the rain stopped, Prashant left for his home as he feared the worst of his family. He took a stick to help him find the road. At times, he had to swim through the flood waters. On the way, he met two friends and their uncle, and the group moved together. They came across dead bodies of human beings and animals which floated with the current. As they crossed village, not even a single house could be seen. Prashant's house was shattered too, and he saw the belongings hanging on the branches of the trees. He wept as he felt that he had lost his beloved. He went to the Red Cross shelter in search of his family. There, Prashant met his maternal grandmother. She was elated to see him alive, as they had not expected that he would have survived by storm. Prashant saw a crowd of 2,500 people at the shelter. Many had lost their families in the disaster. They were grief stricken as the catastrophe had snatched everything. For the last 2 days, they had survived on coconuts, but they were running out of stock. Prashant took control of the situation. He formed a group with some elders and young people. They forced the merchants to give them the stock of rice and were successful. After 4 days, the crowd ate a meal. Then, the group of volunteers cleaned the shelter and tended to the injured people. Prashant engaged the widows to work in the NGO named Food for Work. He engaged the children by arranging a sports match for them. The volunteers managed to set up foster families comprising of the widows, orphan children, and lone men who would form a family and support each other. Like this, Prashant overcame his grief and learned to smile even the face and advertise.